Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can pay through your Mastercard in Steam. First, go to your Steam app. Here, click on your username and click on account details. Here, as you can see, we are now in our account details. To add a Mastercard, click on this add a payment method to this account. Here, go to the first section and click on Mastercard and then fill all the information of your card. After filling that, click on continue and your Mastercard will be added to your account. Then you can go to your library and can pay through Mastercard for anything. And this is how you can pay through your Mastercard in Steam. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.